Welcome back, my wonderful people. So today we're back with another video, and today we're doing something different, guys. I will be representing my country, my beautiful country, Sierra Leone, and I will be doing this video today in Creole and not in English. So yeah, I'm actually excited to do this video, guys. And before we go ahead and start this video, happy Independence Day to my people. So yeah, so I'm actually gonna start this video in Creole, guys. Please don't laugh. But anyways, so as you already see, I don't do my eyebrows, okay? I don't do the eyebrows. Now I can put the concealer what they use now, white concealer. The reason why they use white concealer now, because when you use white concealer, it they make the eyeshadow for pop a bit more. You're able to see the eyeshadow more bright, you know. So the first color what they use now, blue color they use, because as we country flag now, green, white and blue. But the way how I want to do this makeup look, you know, it's a bit, I want to try for talk the Creole but the English they guys say. But yeah, so I they use the blue first, because the look what I want go for, I want to do like, you know, eye wing. So I want to be a bit creative, because this look here, so and I'm head normal plan them. I just plan and I'm head nasty don't I say they can record them. So first I they use the blue, I don't draw the line on top. Then now they can use the green, because I want to be so creative. They want to be creative. Now me one green sabi. So now they go with the green. Then I they draw lines, but the line where they do now like wing. So I they count and say I count outside of me eye. You understand? So what I don't do that they begin for blend. I they begin for blend the on top of the eyeshadow. So yeah, right now me Creole, it sounds funny, but I can actually speak Creole, okay? But yeah, so after what I don't do that day, for me, I feel like for say me right eye more easy for me for do than me left eye. Me left eye is so annoying. So if the left eye not come out the same as the right eye, I try, okay? So what I done, I begin for blend them. So now then they no more first, then I come back for can tell you now waiting for do next. But I'm so glad you want to do this video, because maybe some of you might not know that I'm from Sierra Leone, but this video clearly shows you guys I love my country and I'm ready to represent us, makeup or no makeup, I'm ready. So yeah, so I'll be supposed to do this video here so and talk while I do the makeup, but I be careful go on net and I make for una decision say me eye red because I be tired, but I be careful do I be just careful do so now I make her say, you know it, make her record them, then I go just do voiceover for una. I hope so una no mind me people them. So when you don't put the eyeshadow, now you eyelid or now you crease, you then now begin for blend the on top of also you put the eyeshadow, because you know go once where you don't put normal the blue and the green you left, and so you need for making blend. When you can pan makeup, the most important thing that you blending now than the more important, you know, because if you not blend, the makeup not go come out fine and go look like for say you just play with your face and you know one that day. So I just blend the blue first, then I go ahead and blend the green. Then what we done, the second thing what they do, they use Vaseline now they use for make her clean so they can cut the crease. So they use cutting board. Why I use the cutting board that they put up at the Vaseline, then I begin for rub and first now me yeah rub you rub you rub fine at the eyelid also you they can cut the crease. So you begin play with and force around fine, then you use clean cutting board, then you begin for clean them. So this part here, so I don't really like this part, because for cut crease is not easy. So I feel like for say the easy way for me go able for cut crease now for make you do and quick. When you do and quick, you don't forget bottom. But if you say they play with her, then you just get for mess them up. So I don't do the right eye, then I do just do the left eye. Like I said, the left eye, then they we need to even bother with them, because yeah. But right now it's looking okay. Right now they come out fine, so we they do well. Then now they can use white concealer back. Like I say, white concealer they help for show the color more. The concealer what they use now Morphe concealer, white concealer now they use. I go try for put all the name now the description box. So I dey now cut the crease, because the reason why in good for make you clean and first before you put other concealer, because sometimes I go dey wonder say, but concealer be there, why make you pull them then you put concealer back? Because when you clean them and you put other hand on top, it they make the crease sharp. It they make the wing is sharp. Yeah, so now it make I dey clean down the first before I put other one. So now down the first what they do, they put the concealer, then we make sure say in then at the eye fine before we go ahead and continue this makeup look.
Take a look around, tell me what do you see, my Africa. Take a deep breath, what do you feel?
So now I dey use sponge. This sponge also we they call them beauty blender. So this small baby beauty blender they use, and just so that and go make the concealer, you know, smooth, so that while they put the eyeshadow it not go give me boku problem. So why don't do that? Then now they begin with the green, and now I they can do the flag. So I they begin with the green, then I do the blue, then I do the white. So why don't put the green, then we go by the blue. The brush what they use, sometimes you can use flat brush, but me I decide for use this pointy brush, because for the first time I use them for do the on top, it look easy for me. So I just say, you know it, I might just continue for use them, you know, especially because most of my other brush they dirty, I not go like you now. But I say make I use what I get. Where you can buy makeup, use what you get. So you no need for go begin spend boku. Use what you get and play around with them. Alex, if you think to say the eyeshadow way you get it rubbish, once you use clear white concealer, the eyeshadow they pop. Yeah. So now I they do the blue. The way I don't do the blue, we go by the white. So now they can use the white by this me eyeshadow palette with the color of the bokuso. So I they use the white param, then I they dab them now the middle. So I they put and at the middle. They were done. Do the same thing for the other one. Then I just they blend. Me people and I don't know more. This makeup look is very easy, as you they see now. I they blend the middle side, because you not go and make the eyeshadow just stop outside you begin them. You are making blend, so that people they not go say that people they not go see outside you stop the eyeshadow. So you need for blend. Like I say, blending very important. Right now I don't know what happened. My phone, the light, it just bright. I don't know. I thought to say okay, but it looks like it was not okay. So now they put the concealer. As when I see my right eye, how the thing goes smooth. I cut the shape fine. The wing is sharp. Look this one. The left eye, I don't know what's in the pa. But anyways, now I they use me new beauty blender, the sponge I buy. This is a new one. As when I see, I they use new one for this video, because the one I be get before you old. So now they use the new one, you know. We get for change. This now Independence Day. So what I don't do that day, I just they do now me makeup. Very easy. However you can do your makeup. My storage be they disturb me. So because of that day, I know able to record the full makeup look. So now I just they can do me under eye. So this under eye with the color waterline. With the color waterline, okay? So this under waterline under eye, I they put the blue first, no green. I they put the green first so that it go match the on top. Then the other side I they put the blue so it go match the blue. Then we'll blend them. Now then the normal. Dear, if you na my salon person, na comment down below waiting on our favorite food, what una like about salon, okay? So as soon as they see, I just they blend the blue now. That they blend the out at na the usa a cut that line. Ofiba like pepper board yai. Now they bring at the blender. See this here, look at the eye whoa. Ah. Anyways, more focus on this. This eye so now I'm fine. Now we see saying come out better. But I don't know anyways. Una let me know down below what una think. If the two look okay or it look the same, because me I know me I not look the same. So now they can't do the lips. This na the first time why they ever do this kind of lips, so I really proud where I do. I'm glad where I attempt for do these lips, you know. Sometimes we just need for try something different, not all the time, you know, lip gloss, you know. So I just say, you know, it's in this I they do, and because if I don't do the eye green, white and blue, I might as well do the lips green, white and blue. Now I see, don't I say, you know, it's in this I they do. So now I just they outline me lips with white concealer, the same concealer I use on top. Sometimes you go they say I they use concealer na your lips, because the concealer now ain't go make the eyeshadow show. If you not put the concealer, the eyeshadow not get for show and it not get for fine, and a white concealer. So now they put the green first. Why don't dab the green, then I they put the blue, because my storage be they misbehave, so the phone cut off. Now I don't do the blue, so we just the blender. Oh, don't blender, they will do the middle, blender back, and then the normal. So for the lips, now that the normal we they put the white. So especially what we just basically what we do now the on top, now they do now the under, now the matte. Then you spray her with your face spray or your setting spray, and this is the final look. Me people, the way to wanna think, wanna let me know down below in the comment section. Subscribe and like, and enjoy your Independence Day. Bye.